Hello everyone! In the last lesson, we learned the ingredients of our recipe, kabsa. In this lesson, we will learn how to cook the meat, and this is the first stage of our recipe. Let's begin. We put a pot on the stove and stir it on medium heat. Then, we add the 2 spoons of ghee until melted. We still turn it until melted. We add the chopped onions and turn them well, like this. We still turn and turn. We still turn them together until its color becomes yellow. We need more turn. This color is good. At this time, we add the meat, piece by piece like this. And we will add spices. We will add the 4 cardamom, curcuma, cinnamon, black pepper, and at last the spices meat and all. And mix them together. We will turn over piece by piece like this. We still turn them until the meat absorbs all spices. We will leave them about 10 minutes and reduce the heat slightly. We must note that we don't add the salt at this stage because it increases the time of cooking meat. This is the meat after 10 minutes. We note that it absorbed all spices. Then we add the 2 liters of boiled water and leave it on the medium heat about 2 hours. We note that when the meat needs to increase the water, we can do that easily. Now, after 2 hours, we can add the salt and we can turn off the stove. It's cooked well done. Wow! We will get out the meat piece by piece. Wow, its smell is very good. Now, we will filter the soup to use it for cooking rice.